Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change name on NASDAQ. You can easily change your name on NASDAQ, which is an American stock exchange platform. To do so, open your web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.nasdaq.com, then press on enter. With this, here you'll be taken to official website of NASDAQ. First, make sure that you are logged into a NASDAQ account. To do that, click on profile icon on top right corner. After you log in, click on profile icon on top right corner. Then here, click on account preferences option on the first. With this, now here you can see account details. Now, click on edit option down name. After this, you can remove your first name from the first name box and enter the name that you want. With this, you can remove your last name from the last name box and enter your new last name. After doing so, click on Save option. With this, you'll be able to change name on NASDAQ. As you can see here, my name has been changed from Hanit Noah to Kyle Neal. This is how we can change name on NASDAQ. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.